Hey, Dan Lawson here with AB Homes. We are standing in front of a newly completed Sussex model. Homeowners are going to be taking possession here the next day or so. We are super excited to show you this house. It is absolutely beautiful. So without further ado, let's head on in and take a look. So welcome to the Sussex. This house in its original form is 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 2,984 square foot. The main hall here, when you come off the entry, you have your laundry room. They actually made this space a little bit smaller so they could incorporate a full bath where a half bath would normally be. Like I said, they've got some family that's gonna be here with them, hence the full bedroom and the full bath right here on the first floor. Further down is the primary bedroom. This is a great space. I mean, you have all the room you could ever need in this house. Primary closet is big as some bedrooms. One of the cool things about this house, and people absolutely love it that I've shown it to, is the slipper tub. So this is a 66-inch slipper tub. Buyers actually upgraded from our standard soaker tub to the slipper tub. They did the tile shower, upgraded to the glass door. They added an extra niche to the shower. Came out really, really nice. I love the colors they picked in here. Off of the main foyer, when you come in the house, you have a drop zone and also the 2-car garage. This garage is a very, very nice sized garage. They added the personal door, gives you easy access coming in and out of the house and the garage. They upgraded to the LED lights in here instead of the standard bulb lights that come with the house. For anybody that likes to tinker on cars and goof around in the garage, that is absolutely a necessity. One of the cool things that people like about this house, as well as some of our other AB Homes models, is the openness. When you come into the main portion of the house, you have a kitchen with a nice size island, good sized kitchen, and it's open to the family room. So it's great for entertaining, it's great for family functions and family events. Open yet cozy. When the people we built this house for designed this home, they added a really nice sized sunroom, and it goes off to their patio out there. They have a beautiful view of the woods and the lot from this room. When the buyers built this house, they upgraded to the stainless steel range hood. They added the pot filler and upgraded to the gas stove. So just some of the different options you can do whenever you're building with AB Homes. They also did a farm sink in the kitchen instead of our standard stainless steel undermount sink. Tile backsplash, added that as well. I think it came out great. So when the buyers were working on this floor plan, they were thinking about all of the different needs and things that would be important to them and their use of the space. So as you look, they added some floor outlets in here. So in case they wanted to put their couches in here and plug them in, they wouldn't have cords draped all across the floor, which I thought was a great idea. They also added a little shiplap on the back wall over the fireplace for accent over the fireplace, give the room a little character. So I think it came out pretty nice. What do you think? The people we built this house for, they didn't want any carpet downstairs. They didn't want carpet up the stairs, so they opted to do the oak treads, oak risers. One of the spaces that a lot of our buyers really enjoy in the Sussex model is this loft area. These folks actually set it up for like a gaming area. So they're gonna put a couch over here, hang their TV up here, put their game systems here. So even though there's 4 bedrooms up here and they're nice sized, all of them with walk-in closets. So everybody has their own private space, yet there's an area they can come out here and kind of congregate and hang out. Upstairs in the Sussex model has 2 full baths. The one over here by the stairs is the full bath for these 2 bedrooms on this side of the house. The other side of the house actually has a Jack and Jill bathroom, which is really nice. As with any of our homes, you know, the buyers pretty much have free reign to tell us what they're looking for to make the house theirs. So thank you so much for coming out and visiting the Sussex model from AB Homes. If you would like to learn more about AB Homes and maybe what we could do for you, give us a call. We'd love to talk to you about building your dream home. 757-435-9900 or find us on the web at abhomesva.com. Look forward to talking to you.